Od bura kaunti ma Bomet odiochieng' manyoro ne othicho oko jotend migepe adek ma kaunti no bang' yore kod ketho mopogore opogore kama oting'o tiyo marach gi apisegi to kod tiyo ataro mar chik. Jokanyo 29 kuom 38 luto ombulu kendo kalo thich oko ma jotend migepe kama oting'o mano mar omenda kod lony manyasani Andrew Sigei, mano ma tije piny owacho e kaunti no Joseph Kipngetich Kirui kod mochung' ne wuoth kod apeyni Kipkoech Ngetich. Nonro mane otim kod komiti od bura mar kaunti no mane ochung' ne bura no kotelo kod MCA ma ward ma Kaple Tundo oyango ni jotelogo notiyo marach kod apisegi kaachiel gi tiyo ataro mar chik.
As the County Executive Committee member for Finance and Economic Planning indeed committed gross violation of the Public Finance Management Act 2012 and regulations made thereunder by purchasing heavy machinery outside the budget, despite budgetary allocation or approval by the County Assembly for the purpose of heavy machinery. In the year 2023-2024, the committee observed that the county lacks ownership documents, meaning the purchase was never finalized as per the contract, and this contravenes Section 971 of the Public Finance Management Act 2012, which requires proper documentation and finalization of the procurement process. The CCM, being in charge of finance and economic planning, was supposed to ensure that the procurement of the equipment was provided for in the county integrated development plan, annual development plan, approved budgets, and also approved consolidated annual procurement plan for the year during which the procurement was made.